Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking to upgrade your space and add a little bit of an antique flair to your home, then this 10-pack of drawer pulls from JIASENBAO is absolutely perfect. I purchased these for my cabinets that I recently had built, and they are absolutely beautiful. This set is the 5-inch, and they were the perfect thing for the handles on my new cabinets. I was looking to have antique brass elements in this room, and they are absolutely perfect. They are just the right size for my hand, and they make the perfect door handles on these. They just are so classy looking. They were so easy to install. They come so nicely packaged. Every single handle is individually wrapped, so you don't have to worry about them getting scratched in transport. I think they are absolutely top-notch quality. I'm really happy with my purchase, so I think you will be too, and that is my point of view.